I really like Bikram because you can improve by yourself. It's a goal, it's a goal that you have with yourself every single day. I changed my life for the finance and all this kind of stuff, mobile, laptop, report, a lot of these kind of things. And now after a few years just teaching in several different studios around the world, I decided to open my own studio. I want to open, for me it was very clear, in Valencia, because I love the city, I love the beach, the weather here, it's lovely. It wasn't very easy for me because I just always try to find a place, a special one, to do yoga, to have the feeling of the yoga is what I feel, so it's what I want to the students feel. And last October we opened the studio.
I like the way that I feel better and better each day. Like I gain more strength, I gain more flexibility, also mind control. I think it's very healthy, it's really, really healthy. I do Bikram because I feel better and better each day practicing Bikram. It's right, it's super simple.
That's for the pleasure. Because the people have to go to work, having got shower here, so we cannot do like 90 minutes. It was my idea because we were talking with people that wants to wake up early in the morning and start to do some stretch, and we talk with the guy here from Havana Beach, and they offer the breakfast included with the class. So we make like a package, breakfast with class of yoga in the beach in the morning,